Okay, so to find intercepts of this equation, so first x-intercept means you're making y0, so you're gonna let y be 0, right? And then you're plugging 0 into the y. So 2x minus 0 equals 5, then 2x equals 5, and x equals 5 over 2. So then your x-intercept is going to be, so I'm going to write it here. So it's 5 over 2 comma 0, right? Because the y was 0. Now for x-intercept, you're going to make x0. Okay? To find the y-intercept, you're making x0. To find the x-intercept, you're making y0. Okay, so then this will be, I'm plugging it in, 2 times 0 minus y equals 5. And this is just going to be 0. So then you have negative y equals 5, and multiply both sides by negative 1. Then y equals negative 5. So x is 0 and the y is negative 5. That's what you're putting here. Okay, so this is done. Now to make a table, right? To make a table, you see you pick some x values and you're going to plug those x values into the equation. So I'm going to show you a couple of them here. So let me show you first one. X is negative 2, right? That's given. So I plug it into the x and then I find one value by solving this. This is negative 4. And then you can just add 4 to both sides. So it will be negative y equals 9. And then multiply both sides by negative 1. So y equals negative 9. So this is negative 9. Then your point is negative 2, negative 9. Okay, and then do the same thing for the second one. So plug it into the x. 2 times negative 1, negative y equals 5. And then this is negative 2. Now add a 2 to both sides. Then you have negative y equals 7. Multiply both sides by negative 1. So y equals negative 7. So negative 7. This is negative 1. Negative 7. And then you keep on doing the same thing for the other points. And then once you make your table, and for graphing, you will have to, so let me just give you a hint for that too. So for graphing, you will plot them. So you plot this point. So even these points are the additional points. So when x is 0, then you're computing the y-intercept, which I already have it. You see, when x is 0, the y was negative 5. See, negative 5, and this is 0, negative 5. Then you can just, you can just draw, see 0, 1, 2, plot the points. That's this point. That's this guy right here. And then if you do negative 1, negative 7, negative 1, negative 7 is just going to be somewhere down here, right? Somewhere down here. Then you can draw your line. That you complete the table and then plot all of the points nicely so that you can have a nice graph. But that's basically the idea, how you should do this type of problem.